I've been asked whether we can use the articulator to animate according to different buccal scans. The answer to that is no, because in the articulator module we are animating the jaw according to the condyles which are moving. In this instance we've got buccal scans. So here we're going to use a different approach and use the alignment add-on. Now to simplify things we have to do a bit of object management, and here I'm moving the scans into different collections, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and hiding them so that we can get rid of all the clutter on the Blender scene. Then making sure the upper is called upper, and then the lower one we're going to be exposing. Number 1 position. Let us now align it with the ICP add-on. So here we're going to make sure the models are going to be called correctly. I'm going to expose a timeline window and then name moving and name destination, and then we're going to click on the start animation, which puts a keyframe to a specific keyframe on the timeline. Then on the moving object I will color that, and destination object I will color that also. Apply that and then move them closer to each other, and then doing an ICP. In this case the models were locked, so I had to unlock them. So here moving them close together and then using the ICP add-on to bring them closer together. And once we've got a good alignment of the two models, we will confirm that, and we're going to stop animation, which puts in a few more keyframes on the timeline. Then exposing the second location, the second model, we're going to be doing exactly the same thing. So painting on a few vertices, applying that, painting on a few vertices of the destination object, applying that also, moving them close together, and then doing the ICP tracking. So I'm quite happy with this result. We will confirm that and click stop animation. That puts in a few more keyframes. Exposing number 3 position, moving and destination. Make sure your models are called correctly, and then doing this the third time. Brushing a few vertices with the circle select tool, applying them, moving them close, and then using the ICP to get them together. So this is fairly easy, and it's not too difficult to learn how to do this. You confirm it and you stop the animation. Don't forget to start and stop the animation. We've got an extensive tutorial in the alignment module explaining how this works. So for the last time I'm going to apply, color the other one and apply, move them close together, and then using the ICP to get them aligned correctly. And then don't forget to stop the animation. Here I'm clicking confirm and stop animation. Now let's hide all of the models and see what is happening with the lower model in the animation. So we're going to run through it, and then you can see how this is actually moving. Let's expose the first one and see how it moves, and then we're going to expose the next one to see how that moves into position, and they all seem to be aligned correctly according to the lower model. So let's hide everything and play the animation. Now these keyframes can then be used to cut out a splint, for example. We haven't automated the cutting procedure, so you would have to do Boolean cuts in certain strategic positions if you wanted to use this technique of jaw tracking.